$1 piano versus $300,000 piano. What type of piano should you buy? Well, today we're gonna find out as we're here with Martin, my piano man, as we test through all these ranges of pianos to see which one is the best for you, starting with our $1 piano. How is it?
Really good?
Pretty good, right?
Really good.
The next piano is going to be what?
Digital piano.
A digital piano.
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. So our first piano is gonna be a Roland, and this is gonna come in at $3,000, a digital piano, right?
Yep.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the piano.
Roland is the first company for digital piano.
The first?
Yeah, first they created MIDI music.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
wow.
didn't know it?
Oh no!
Yeah.
So they were around for a super long time?
Yeah, super long time, and they are first digital piano company
Okay.
in whole world.
Okay, let's give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna play the same song on every piano just so I have a good reference, and that's gonna be a Moonlight Sonata. Good enough for, I guess, people who are like beginner.
Yes.
Beginner just
yes.
need something to practice on, but don't care about the touch that much.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what's our next upgrade from this?
Try the upright piano.
Upright piano?
Yep.
Okay, so that was our digital piano. This is our upright piano.
Yes.
This is how much?
This is 50,000.
But this is not like normal price upright, right?
Because this is handmade from Germany.
So this is like a high-end upright.
Very, very good one.
Then what is the beginner upright price usually?
You can find like 10,000 piano.
$10,000?
Yeah.
And then what is an expensive upright?
Oh, that one. That one
one?
is like
Which is-
the king of upright.
Which is how much?
It's about like 120,000.
120,000. So this is like in like a good upright, but you know, better than the beginner ones, but not the most expensive.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Is there anything like you said this is, but it's expensive because it's handmade?
Yeah, it's handmade from Germany. All the parts from Germany and assembled in Germany.
Right, but why does handmade make it a better
Because
piano?
they have so many parts. If they handmade, they can make sure that the touching, the sounds is perfect. You can just try it.
Okay, just try it? Okay, again with my Moonlight Sonata. Definitely better than the digital piano.
course.
Because that digital piano, there's no touch.
Yeah.
But this piano, I feel like now I'm getting some touch.
Yes.
But I still feel like, I guess I'm more used to playing on the $300,000 pianos. The touch is not as precise as what I'm used to, right? Overall, I guess this is good for most people that aren't spoiled like me.
Yeah, because they don't have too much big space.
Yeah.
It's very good for apartment or a condo.
Right.
Yeah.
But when pianos get bigger, the action gets better too, right?
Of course.
Because they have more space.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I guess it's pretty good for upright. I mean, yeah.
It's
all right.
really professional. You can use this until you get PhD.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's move on to a grand piano.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is my favorite.
Really? Okay.
Yeah,
this
Steve
is
Ashton concert model.
concert model. Okay.
And 7 foot, it's semi-concert.
From that was the 50,000 upright we just did. Yeah. What is the price of this? Your favorite piano?
This is 180,000.
180,000.
Yeah.
That's kind of expensive.
Yeah, plus taxes.
Plus taxes. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, what makes this piano so good?
Firstly, it's handcrafted, and all the parts from Germany, and the soundboard, the spruce, everything is perfect.
Okay.
And the key is, is very sensitive. If you play like from the volume from 1, this is 1,
Yes.
and this is 10.
Okay.
You can play in the same note, and you can play 10 different levels. Like.
Right.
It's more powerful.
Right.
And all of the parts, it's just super. It's like Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce. So
Yeah.
it just has a bigger dynamic range, right? Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, just starting from that. First of all, the action is good, right? That upright action, it feels like there's a little bit of space.
Oh, that one is just brand new. We didn't tune it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
that's normal.
Yes, normal.
Okay, but this one it feels precise. Like when I'm pressing it, I'm getting what I'm pressing.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. This is like, this I wouldn't mind having at home. You know, like I think for me this is my minimum.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, I'm so used to playing on the nice pianos,
okay,
right?
okay.
Right? I don't know. For me, this is my
Yeah,
minimum.
You're a rock star.
Yeah, but I'm sure for most people, if they're used to playing on their normal upright pianos and they suddenly play on this, it's like, whoa, this is so much better.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
should we try going
you
to our
want-
concert grand? All right, so our last piano, and this is the piano I usually film with on our piano tutorial videos, the That's the Only Concert Grand.
Yes.
This one's over $300,000.
Yes.
Right, and this is, I feel, is completely different
Yeah.
from everything else.
Firstly, it's handcrafted and from Italy.
Okay.
And you must know Chopin International Competition,
Yeah.
right? The winner, the first prize, Bruce Liu.
Yes.
He used the same piano and he won the competition.
What's different between this one and just a normal grand?
Because this is full concert, and you can hear the sounds different. Because the lower, especially lower space.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like boomy.
Yeah.
Let me try it out. Well, look at that. Just hearing that low notes is already, you're getting full low notes. Because like, especially as the pianos get cheaper, your low notes get not as full, right? Lighter and lighter.
You're a master.
I'm the master. This is my experience. It feels like, I don't know, the precision. Precision, I think, is similar to the one we previously tried. Like, it's good.
Yep.
Maybe just like, for me, a little bit better. But like, both is good.
Yes.
But just this fullness on the bass is like completely different.
Yeah,
And
because
this
this
sound.
is longer.
Yeah, but this you have to be in a big concert hall. You can't have this in a small home, right?
You can, if you want, you can.
Uh-huh.
If you have the space is big enough.
Right.
Yeah.
Martin, you want to show me something on the piano?
Here? Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, powerful.
Okay. All right, so we reviewed pianos from $1 up to over $300,000. Which should beginners use? Which should piano, like people who are serious use, and which should professional pianists use?
I prefer use the acoustic piano if you want to learn piano.
Right.
But some parents, they worry about like it's
Sound.
the sound's too
Yeah,
loud.
that
Maybe
makes
they
sense.
live in a condo or apartment. But we also have silent piano.
Right.
The acoustic piano with a silent system.
Oh, the hybrid ones.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
hybrid
use
pianos, yeah.
Headphone.
Yeah. I personally think like, okay, $1 piano is great. Like for overall how to learn piano sense, right? Or even like MIDI keyboards. But like, if I was super beginner, I would just, or if I had children and I was normal income, you know, I would just buy the digital piano because like, just learn first.
Yeah.
But from then, I personally wouldn't buy an upright piano. I would go straight from digital piano straight to a grand
Oh, really?
piano.
Oh, yeah.
Because I feel like learning the piano on digital, you can learn.
Yep.
But after that, you have to love piano.
Yes.
And I feel like if you need to love piano, you have to play on a good piano.
Yeah.
So that's what I would think. Yeah,
Yeah.
so play until you're good enough and then get a good piano so you can really love the piano.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thanks Martin.
You're welcome.
Okay, do I get a discount on the pianos? Free?
Sorry?